Weekend gods.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Hindi mo masarap. Ay, ginawa kong muffin.
I wanna eat this one.
Happy Valentine! Baby, happy Valentine!
Ay!
We got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across.
Listen up. Weekend gods of colors. Clues. We try the tap.
Big.
The birds of what is this? No paint.
It's Tony.
A plan back. Why we failed? Come on. We got set the tap. Jet. Short two. Oh my god.
It's sad.
Guys.
Rest your sec.
I've been resting. It's every.
Yes. Second, you should to jump inside.
We need to see how many brothers all to jump. Is it good? Oh my god. In control.
Asking for some. The beach.
Farm garden tour. Some of the attic.
Good morning! Happy Valentine's! Happy Hearts Day! Puso! Kagising ko lang, mga siguro 5:30 nagising na din ako, tapos di na ako nakatulog. Kasi nga, pumasok din si Kuya Kaden. Pero, hindi nakapasok si Ate Amara tsaka si Ezra. Kasi, sinisipon tsaka inuubo na naman. Ewan ko bakit uso yun. Tapos ako naman, naatake pa rin ako na allergic rhinitis ko. Hindi siya sipon eh, kasi kung sipon, talagang basta, alam ko lang na allergic rhinitis siya. So anyways, ako pa lang yung gising, as usual. Tapos magbe-breakfast lang ako. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung aking dress for Valentine's. Chuva-chuchucha. Ayan, tapos papakita ko rin sa inyo yung ginawa kong, Valentine DIY boxes for Ate Amara at saka kay Ezra. Nag-set up din ako ng table namin para ngayong Valentine's. Although, hindi naman talaga namin siya usual na ginagawa. As in, hindi siya yung every year sinicelebrate namin ng ganito. Naisipan ko lang na mag-set up ng dining area namin for Valentine's. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo. Kakain muna ako. Ito yung pagkain ko. Sinigang na baboy, tsaka patis. Tagal na namin ulam yan. Rihit lang ng rihit hanggang maubos. Sayang kasi mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon, di ba?
Ano naman pag ginawa ng kapatid ko sa
Papakita ko na nga pala sa inyo yung sinetap ko kahapon na dining area namin and table setup na yung Valentine's. So, naglagay lang ako dyan ng pa-heart para may backdrop. So, naglagay lang ako ng tablecloth. Table plastic cover to eh, na white. Tapos paper plate na pink. Ang cute niya, oh. May gold. Ay, Oreo. Tapos para may pa-confetti akong binili. Kinalat ko lang yan dito sa table. So, yan. Naglagay ako ng flowers na may pink. Kasi ang theme ko ay pink. Itong placemat to, originally yellow. Pero pinapinturahan ko na kay Daddy Dennis kahapon. Tapos ito rin, originally to ay black. Ni-spray paint ko lang kahapon ng gold. Tapos, ang syonga-syonga ako, bumili ako nito, sperma yung tawag dito eh. Dapat malaki. Ang katulad nung white na bili ng Daddy Dennis noong New Year. Kaya lang, mali ako nang bili sa TikTok. So, kailangan pag umorder kayo online, basahin nyo muna yung description and yung mga reviews. So, ginawa ko lang siya ng paraan para magkasya siya. Binawasan ko yung mga dulo-dulo nung bawat kandila. Apat yung nilagay ko per ganyan. Tapos yung base na white, tsaka artificial lang na baby's breath. Tapos ito yung box ni Ezra. Kasi green. Ito naman yung kay Ate Amara. Originally, ang cover nito ay pink. Pero pinagpalit ko na lang para mas lalaki tingnan. Ayun. Ito kay Ate Amara. Pink at saka peach. Tapos, yan. Naglagay ako dito ng mga balloon sa taas. Kaya lang naglalaglagan. Hindi kaya. Dahil ewan ko ba kung anong klaseng pintura meron dito. Ayun guys. Ang dumi ng upuan namin, no? Pag-iipunan namin to kasi plano na namin palitan. Pero yung table namin as is pa din kasi sobrang tibay na to. As in Gorilla Glass to. Kahit anong diin mo dito, hindi siya basta-basta nababasag. Ilang years na to, parang 7 to 8 years na to. O, diba? Ang tatag. Yun lang, chika. So, ayan ang aking setup for Valentine's. Plano namin, unti-unti yung ayusin ulit tong apartment. I-repaint namin. Tapos may mga plano kami dito para medyo umayos-ayos. Ang dami pa rin kalat kahit nagbawas na ako. Parang kada bawas may pumapasok pa din. Ewan ko. Ganun talaga yata kapag may mga bata, no? Yung may iwasan. Kasi ako hinahayaan ko lang silang maglaro. And nagkalat. Kasi dun sila nag-enjoy. So, ayun lang. Happy Valentine's, everyone. Mga boys, okay lang yan. Morning. Happy Valentine's, baby girl. 3,000 plus daw yun pala sa Temu. Tapos,
check naman yung original price na rin.
oo. Tapos, magkano mo lang nakuha? 800 plus, no? Kasama na yung shipping. Ang mura. Kapag first time kayong nag-avail sa Temu, meron silang pa-discount. Anong kalaki? O, di ba? Ang laki nung na less. 3,000 plus sa 875 na lang.
Bagong member.
Oo, bagong member. Yan. Tapos meron silang manual din na hard copy. Ayan yung manual pa na. Tapos meron din yan sa di ba? Ayun, meron din siya dun sa sinend sa sa account.
Sunod ng Temu.
Diba? Okay din. Tara na. Excited sila. Excited sila Amara, tsaka si Ezra. Excited na kasi sila dun sa kanilang Valentine box. Happy Valentine's!
Oh my gosh, it's so cute!
Happy Valentine's, Ezra!
Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh my gosh! This is so cool! Oh my god, this is so cool! Thank you po, ma'am!
You're welcome!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you po, ma'am! It's a keychain! It's so cute! Oh my gosh, it's a nails! Oh my gosh, what's inside here? What's inside here? What's inside here? Let's check. Sticker. Let's check. Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Oh my gosh! And then, what is this? Oh my gosh! Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh my gosh! Whoa. Oh my gosh, whoa, this is so cool! Whoa, there's some bubbles! Wow, there's a sticker! I have a jumping wheel too! Yay! A teddy bear. Next, a bubble!
Ang sabi ng teddy bear?
I love you.
I love you!
This is so cool! This is an alien.
Sa labas na gagamitin yung bubbles, ha?
Yay, thank you po, ma'am.
You're welcome! Happy Valentine's, guys! Wala nang laman!
Oh, the plastic. There you go. Thank you po, ma'am.
You're
Also,
welcome!
I have my squishy ball. Oh my gosh!
Who's that? Sino yan?
This Pompopourri. And cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh!
Captain America.
Captain America.
You can put your little stuff here or tiny stuff.
What is that? Oh my gosh! I have a teddy bear.
Meron siyang wallet, coin purse, kasi wala ka niyan. Nails yun
Oh
sa'yo.
my gosh!
Kasi hindi pwede si Asha sa nails.
Oh my gosh! I
Yes,
have my own jumping rope!
This one is sticker.
Gosh, I have my stickers in
O, put it
here.
here muna.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Thank you po, ma'am.
You're welcome, bebe boy.
Thank you po, dad.
You're welcome, bebe girl. Kayo mo. Baka matapon. O, ito.
Oh my gosh.
Iwawash muna yan.
Oh my gosh, I have my own straw. And we have this. We're gonna open it like this. And we're gonna put the straw and then zip.
Wash ko muna yan. Dirty pa yan.
Here po. Nakakawala po to ng stress.
Nakakawala ng stress?
Opo.
Bakit?
Because it's so fluffy and squishy po.
Na-stress ka na ba?
Not yet po. Kukunin ko lang po ito pagka na-stress po. And then this is Esha's po.
Cute oh.
And guys, I have my own like this. I love y'all. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. You know, guys, girls love snails. And then this is from the
Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff
Cute
Girls.
nga yung design.
You know, guys,
Ang cute.
look at these stickers.
Ang cute pala ng design.
We have a stickers over here.
Saan malalagay yan?
Look at that. Look at our stickers.
Saan malalagay yan?
I'm gonna put this somewhere else. Happy!
Ang galing naman mag-read. Marunong na mag-read. Happy daw.
I know what the spelling of Happy.
Very good.
Lately, I've been going crazy. Think about it, baby. I can make you mine. Take me out on the daily. And if you want ladies, me and my girls outside. So give me a
Bibake ako ngayon ng chocolate moist cake. Maliit lang. Yung susobra kasi I think itong mixture na to ay sobra. Dahil maliit lang yung paglalagyan ko ng heart shape na cake. So yung susobra, bahala na kung ano yung gagawin ko.
build intention up slowly. Never let you get lonely. I'll be here from time to time. Keep me on my toes. Where you wanna go? You can let me know. Let me know. Let me know. No, we can take it slow or go with the flow. Baby, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. No, you got me wishing. Could say I'm overthinking. If you come around for a while, then I'm with it. Yeah, might have to listen. My heart, my intuition. You make me believe there's more. Maybe I'm just tripping. Either way, I'll give a couple options. We could take our time, or we could lock in. You know I'm regular, so cautious. At this point, it's come around often. Cause I'm the type to see it through. I'm trying to see what we can do. And if it's worked, it's me and you. So tell me what's the move. Keep me on my toes. Where you wanna go? You
Oh, nice naman. Naman yung avatar. Saan yung avatar?
Ready po.
Sa Brookhaven? Anong game?
let me know, no. We can take this slow or go with the flow. Baby, let me know. Let me know, let me know, no. The other day I was on the street. I ran into a face, it was good to see. We talked a couple hours and we missed all of the taxis. As we realized what time it was, we both let out a sigh as we've always done. As we turned to leave, we knew this wouldn't be the last one. No. Because that's how it flows when you're with the ones you love the most. And even when it's time to go, we know what we know. We don't have to say goodbye, 'cause we never wonder why, if we'll be seeing each other again. 'Cause 'cause we're true friends. See, I'll always be around, whether here or heaven bound. We'll be seeing each other again, 'cause we're true friends. True, true, true friends. True, true friends. Oh, 'cause that's how it flows when you're with the ones you love the most. And even when it's time to go, we know what we know. We don't have to say goodbye, 'cause we never wonder why. We'll be seeing each other again, 'cause we're true friends. You know I'll always be around, whether here or heaven bound. We'll be seeing each other again, 'cause we're true friends. Like a bookmark in the heart, we'll pick back up where we started. Like a bookmark in the heart, we know right where we are. Like a bookmark in the heart, we'll pick back up where we started. Like a bookmark in the heart.
Ito na guys ang garlic. Ito na ang ating pasta. Di? Ayaw mo tikman? Patitikim sana natin kaya paalis na. May pasok na yung Valentine's. Hindi mo masarap. Di? Ayaw mo munang tikman kahit konti. Totoo na pasta. Sige. Sige, sige.
Gusto mo kainin, kala mo.
Ingat.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. Yan, sasubo lang. Meron pala itong parang chunks na tidbits ng tomato di. Ito. Yung sauce na binili ko. Yung Italo. Ingat ka. Bye. Durugin na natin ang garlic. Medyo mainit pa din. Ay, sarap. Meron kaya yung pantanggal nito. Para hindi na siya yung ganitong pinakamay. Yan, tingnan na lang natin para mabilis. Ay, init. Ay, init.
In a world of neon lights and silver stars with a
Mix lang natin, guys.
ride through electric cars, I'll be a rock in this cosmic sea. Always here, always there, just you and me. We may ride.
Lagyan natin ng sugar pa naman. Lagyan natin ng salt.
Roads pave the soul to go beneath the sky where the satellites go through the hum of drones and buzzing tech. You got my heart around your neck.
Wheat bread, yung gagamitin natin pang garlic bread.
In this futuristic land, you are my guide through the chaos and the calm by your side.
Lagyan natin agad ang tatlo.
I'll stride from the dusty plains to the sky so wide, always by your side. When the morning dawns with a hologram's kiss, I'll hold you close.
Iwasan natin masyado makapal. Baka magustuhan nila. Lagyan na natin sa urong.
In this digital bliss, through virtual dreams and
Thank you.
So cold.
this love we share, it's the only thing real. In this futuristic land, you are my guide. Through the chaos and the calm, by your side I'll stride. From the dusty plains to the sky so wide, always, always by your side. When the morning holds you close in this digital bliss, through virtual dreams and scenes so surreal, this love we share, it's the only thing real. In this futuristic land, you are my guide. Through the chaos and the calm, by your side I'll stride. From the dusty plains to the sky so wide, always, always by your side.
I'm so excited po.
Pwede natin ang cherry pala.
Through every storm, every darkened day, you held me close, you made a way when I was weak.
Ito na yung pasta na niluto ko. Wala yung kahit na anong sahog, as in sauce lang siya, Italian sauce. Tapos ito yung garlic bread na homemade.
No matter where,
Yung muffin.
no matter the place.
Ganache. Ito na siya ginawang yung medyo thick yung icing. Ganyan na lang. Yung cherry heart cake na ginawa. So, yung drink nila at amara. Tsaka grasya. Same lang siya nung dito sa ginawa kong mocktail. Wala lang dito yung soft drink. Kasi bawal sila soft drinks. Diba? Are you ready?
Yes po, I'm so super ready po. Because I wanna eat this po.
Happy Valentine's, Boogie!
Happy Valentine's po, Mama.
Kain tayo, guys. Happy Valentine's. Hey, Happy Valentine's. Sa Boogie, oh. Kain na. Ayan na.
I want cupcake po.
You want cupcake? Sige, may cake dun. Ni-slice ko. Tikman natin ang ating ginawang pasta.
Huwag po, hindi mas.
Ano? Ano? Lasa?
Masang pasta. Wala po. Sour, hindi po siya matamis.
Siyempre, sour nga yun. Italian kasi yan. Hindi naman yan yung manu.
Spaghetti sa Jollibee.
Filipino. Tikman mo naman yung garlic bread ko.
Pero, nilalatap ko pa po siya eh. Wala pang incognito, okay.
The juice. For today's video, may bayad! For today's video, may pa-sherry pa tayo. Rapsa.
Approved to ng mga Italian. Hindi pinuto ni Mami yung pasta.
Tungaw, ganyan talaga yan. Yan talaga yung tsura niyan.
Approved. Tinatapong ko to eh.
Mahal ko na. Italian pasta yan, guys.
Farmers and the robot herd. In this high-tech life, our whispers are heard. We'll dance through time in a timeless embrace. No matter where, no matter the place.
Valentine's. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Yummy ba, pasta?
Opo. It's a little bit spicy po.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's po, Mama.
Happy Valentine's. Sarap yan. Masarap pa yung ginawa kong juice. Mocktail pala tawag dyan. Mocktail.
May alak po to.
Wala.
Okay, nice. Yan yung video ay.
Happy Valentine's. Baby. Baby, happy Valentine's.
Ay!
Happy Valentine's. Sarap, hindi. Yan. Magsisinungaling ka kasi. Ayan. Ganyan kasi pag masarap.
Yung mata na paano sa likod eh. Ikaw, Bangin.